This is the story of my life. There has got to be no one in this world that could possibly compass with what I'm going through. They have never tried to grasp what might be in my head, let alone know what I need. I would be treated foul as if I was their biggest regret. The time that would hurt me the most is when they separate me from the outside world. My freedom has been limited, all due to my impaired disability. Both of my legs were crippled since birth by a disease called leg nerve damage. I was only able to move by crawling if I needed to get to a certain place. Though I am in this condition, I still have the will to continue living for the life that I've always wished for. Time and time again have they been telling me how much of an idiot I make them look like. They are embarrassed by my physical retardation being in their lives. They have never paid any attention to me. There were times when I was hidden, when people came to avoid them from seeing me. They gave me the impression that I bring shame to them, being a physically incapable child. Sometimes I would feel like the black sheep in the family, being the only odd one out. They have never given me the freedom to play outside like normal kids, just to evade the neighbors from noticing my existence. Do they not know what I'm feeling? I too have feelings. I too want to have friends and go to school, but all I can do is wish, because that would never be a reality. Thank God I do have someone that understands me, though sadly he can't possibly have a way to change my fate. He has helped in a way that I would never thought of. With it, I was able to express my feelings that have been kept inside due in time. It has been the closest companion that I've ever had in my whole life. At last, I am able to convey my inner feelings that nobody could understand.